It's a beautiful day in Lake Arrowhead, California, and it is such a gorgeous day. I thought, what a waste for me to be stuck inside an office. So I thought, let's go to the Burt Mill Beach Club. Come along with me. I'm going to show you one of the 2 beach clubs located in Lake Arrowhead, California that are available to the property owners in Arrowhead Woods, who are also part of the Arrowhead Lake Association. Come on, let's check it out. There are so many cool things about coming to Burt Mill Beach Club. Quick rundown, there's 2 beach clubs in Lake Arrowhead and Arrowhead Woods. We've got one on the north side, that's Tavern Bay, and one on the south side, which is Burt Mill. Burt Mill is located really beautifully for, you want to come into the village, do your grocery shopping, come over here to the beach club, or maybe come over here and have a picnic or play in the water. And then if it's summertime, go into the village and go to one of the free concerts, or, go grab some wonderful food or maybe a cocktail. Whatever you want to do, Burt Mill Beach Club has a different flavor and a different vibe, at least to me, than Tavern Bay. One of the first things about Burt Mill Beach Club is that it has an honest-to-goodness standing building, which is actually behind me. Let's go take a look. The building here at Burt Mill can be used for events. You can actually rent it from Arrowhead Lake Association, and I've been to many events here at this beach club. And also, just so you know, it is a great place to have an intimate wedding. So if you're thinking, where can I get married in Lake Arrowhead? Where can I have my reception? If you are a member of Arrowhead Lake Association and you're looking for a venue, Burt Mill Beach Club is your spot. It has an open area inside. It's got a kitchen. It's got a multi-level surface to it. Plus, as you're going to see as we walk around, it's got a great balcony that overlooks all of the lake. So let's go ahead and let's come on down and take a quick peek. Going to go past security here. Hello, hello.
Hello, I remember you.
So here we are down at the beach area, and just like over at Tavern Bay, by the way, if you haven't seen the video about Tavern Bay, go ahead, look it up. We'll also cue it up for you next, just in case. Just like Tavern Bay, Burt Mill has a dedicated sandy beach area, including a swimming area, so that you can just have a fun, quiet day on the water. You can go play. I've been told that the water is coming in right now at roughly 72 degrees. Let's go find out. The sand feels really good. Kind of feels a little cool, but also kind of warm at the same time, if you know what I mean. It's not really cold, but it's definitely not warm. After all, this is a lake that is formed off of our snow melt and our rainfall, and so the temperature is going to fluctuate. Of course, the more we get into summer, the warmer the water gets. But this is actually quite refreshing. So I'm feeling good about the fact that I got to come to Burt Mill Beach Club today. I kind of wish I should have brought Jade. I should have brought Jade. The husky would be like, yay, lake time. Oh well, so much for that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the playground. So each beach club also has a really nice play area. So if you want to bring the kiddos, we've got a place for them to burn off their energy in the water, or go and have fun on the swings or on the jungle gym. We got somebody doing that right now. Why don't you go ahead and take a look with me and just take a look at the beautiful view. I mean, when I say it's a beautiful day in Lake Arrowhead and it's just too much to think about being inside, this is what I mean. It doesn't get much better than this. Let's take a walk back over to the back side of the beach club, over to that balcony I was talking about. So like I mentioned earlier, this building is available for for rent if you're a member of Arrowhead Lake Association. In addition to the interior area, you've got this beautiful back patio area as well, with its own separate access down onto the sandy beach. This is a great place to host just even a small party for your friends or your family to say, come on up, enjoy our lifestyle. Check it out. This is so neat. This really is something that you only get by living in Lake Arrowhead. So I know I have to wrap up this video showing you about Burt Mill Beach Club, but I gotta say, I don't want to. I don't want to, but I do have to get back to work. This was a great side trip for me today. For more information about membership in the beach clubs, membership with Arrowhead Lake Association, anything you want to know about lake rights for private Lake Arrowhead, you can go ahead and leave a comment below, because every comment you leave for us, we do answer. We love to answer your questions, not only about real estate, but also about this beautiful area that we live in. Do me a small favor, if you would please, if you've enjoyed this video or you know somebody who should see it, be sure to share this video out, and then also, if you would, hit that red subscribe button and ding the bell so that you get alerted every time we post more content about our beautiful Lake Arrowhead area. I've run out of things to say because I just don't want to go back to the office. But I'm going to behave because my clients need me. So I'm just going to say I'm Theresa Grant, your local realtor, and this is Burt Mill Beach Club. Bye for now.